majestic. Eagles are simply the sovereigns of the air.
Many cultures. They are respected and honored, and were often depicted on the coats of arms and amulets. After all, these are huge birds with amazing hunting skills and intelligence. So how much do we really know about these magnificent creatures? This incredible story will give us a little more information than we used to have. Saudi Arabia resident Fadkash made a strange discovery. I was sick of taking walks in the park, so I decided to go to the mountains. I am not a professional climber, but rather an amateur with a pack full of all the necessities. It seemed that yet another walk would be no different from the dozens of previous ones. But this time, something definitely went wrong. While he was moving from one slope to another, a strange dark spot below caught Fad's attention. What is that? Where did it come from? Fad kept asking himself. Nothing grows here. There are barely any animals. So what could this mysterious creature be? Deciding to give in to his curiosity, Fad went down to see the object that intrigued him so much, cursing the hills he was enjoying just a couple of minutes ago. The man soon reached his destination and was shocked. A dead eagle lay in front of him. Moreover, its body was in perfect condition, no fractures or injuries. The bird most likely died of old age. Fad was already getting ready to leave when he noticed that the bird was wearing a strange object, and deciding that dead eagles don't bite, the man took it off. He was surprised to learn that it was a GPS tracker. Upon closer inspection, Fad noticed the owner's email address written on the device. When the man connected the tracker to the computer, all his questions receded, leaving pure admiration in their place. It turned out the GPS was installed about 20 years ago. For 2 decades, the tracking device had been recording all the places the eagle went to. During its life, the bird crossed every country in the Middle East and has been to Africa a couple of times and visited Sudan and Ethiopia. The eagle repeatedly crossed high mountains and vast deserts, but for some unknown reason, the bird avoided flying over the seas throughout its life. The netizens showed immediate interest in this peculiarity. After all, eagles are very smart, which means there must have been a good reason for this fear of water. Someone suggested that migrating birds use warm air currents to reach higher altitudes with minimal energy consumption. There are very few or no such currents over large bodies of water, which might be why migrating birds prefer to avoid flying over water by any means possible and only fly over land. The eagle's journey was nothing short of amazing. The bird flew over 355 kilometers per day, which is very surprising to an ordinary person. The British Birds research team had already tracked 16 steppe eagles and learned that the largest daily flight distance among them was about 355 kilometers. They also noted that within a full annual cycle, the eagle spends 31.5% of the year on wintering, 41.9% on breeding, and the remaining 26.6% on migration. This statistical data, as well as the map, once again, proved that eagles are constantly moving and migrating creatures that travel more than we could have ever imagined.